An attorney named Katrina is standing up for Britney Spears, and you know I love when people come with their receipts, and Katrina has the receipts. So get ready to pay close attention, grab a snack, and wash it down with some hot tea. As you guys know, the Free Britney movement has been going on for some time, and Britney has been locked in a conservatorship for 12 years now. And there has been so many rumors and just legal things going on lately that it is hard to keep up. And trust me, I am trying to keep you guys informed. And my dog is trying to attack me right now. She's trying to make me throw her fox around. Please, Bunny, please leave me alone. Anyways, so this lawyer named, well, she's not a lawyer, she's an attorney, pretty much the same thing in my eyes. This attorney named Katrina, who used to work with Andrew Wallet. If you guys don't know who Andrew Wallet is, he is this man who was controlling Britney's money for a long time. I call him the hairless mole rat. He literally looks like a hairless mole rat to me. She used to work for him, and you can see actually on her LinkedIn page that she was his employee for some time, and it was during the years that Britney Spears, was really, the timeline that is in question. I'll show you guys what I mean in a second, but there is a timeline in question, and she works at the firm when this whole thing was going down. So as you can see on her LinkedIn, she worked there from April 2007 to 2011 when she was an associate. Now she has her own law firm. So honestly, she can come back to her old employer and just fight him back if she wants to, because she's literally an attorney, which is baller. Anyways, let me tell you where this story all started so you guys can understand what I am talking about. So TriStar sent an email to Sam because Sam asked him for a copy of their contract from back in 2009. And then this lady from TriStar replies and says, "Oh, well, we actually didn't scan in the agreements back then. We actually didn't do it at that time. We didn't keep copies. That's just not what happened. Sorry, we don't have it." Which is total BS, because according to Katrina, the attorney, they scanned in everything back then. Before we look into what Katrina has been saying, I want to answer the question on why would Sam even ask them for a copy of this contract. The reason why he's asking for a copy of this contract, and again guys, if you don't know who Sam is the groundhog who is Britney's lawyer, and recently he has flipped script and he's actually been helping Britney for once, so applause to him. But yeah, that's who Sam is, and he's actually helping Britney, and he was questioning why TriStar is getting $500,000, which is double the payment it was previously receiving. So he's currently not getting paid, and then TriStar is getting paid double the amount. So he's like, "Yo, hold up. Let me look at these contracts. I want to see what's up so that I can confirm what's going on," because he's digging deeper into the whole case, which great. I'm so excited. Let's have a whole squad form around Britney, and Katrina is the newest member. I'm hyped. Welcome, girl. You are smart. You're part of this whole story in a way, because you know that Andrew Wallet and them and TriStar are lying about having these documents in their possession. They definitely have them scanned because you were the one scamming them, scanning them into the systems and stuff. So this is the first file that she has submitted into the legal battle, and let me just read it to you guys so that we can understand what is going on. So Katrina says to the court, and she's, again, for people who are just joining this live stream, it will be saved, but she has put a petition into the court because she is calling out TriStar and Andrew Wallet for lying about not scanning their documents into their systems. The documents and the contracts that Britney has were scanned in 2009, and this lady is claiming that they were scanned. So let me just read her file and it'll make more sense. So she wrote this declaration. It said, "I am over the age of 18. I'm not an interested party in this action. I am personally familiar with the facts stated herein, except those stated upon information and belief as those I believe them to be true. If I call as a witness, I would and could completely testify to the following facts." So, period. She is ready to testify in court. So, Brenda Penny, give her a call and let's hear what she has to say. She says, "I worked as an associate for Wallet's firm during the period of 2007 to 2011, which again matches what her LinkedIn says. So, we love a girl that has a whole bucket of receipts. And my dog is just being so, please, Bunny, come here. At least let me show you to the camera. She won't I can't even grab her to show her to the camera. You're so cute with your bow on, though. Okay. So she filed that first page, and here is the second page where she says, documents of the conservatory were scanned and uploaded onto the firm's server at least from early 2009. Documents were readily available on the firm's server and accessible to the firm at least during this period. So she's pretty much calling out like, yo, that original email that you're talking about, like, that is a lie because you guys have the files. Like, they literally send this email, we do not have access to at this time to the early conservator files. Like, why can they not look at them? Because they weren't saved electronically. Well, our lawyer friend, Katerina, she claims they were filed electronically, and she's ready to testify against them. Period. Like, I hope that makes sense to you guys because it was really confusing to me at first, but I'm starting to get hip. And I do have her Twitter linked below if you want to go check her out. She is constantly speaking out for Britney, and I more than welcome her to the whole squad because she's literally filing legal things, and that is totally a fight for Britney. Like, she's spending time and energy and probably money to do this, and I mean, it helps that she has her own firm. So she also said, I am submitting this declaration now because the statement by the attorneys for the conservator of the state that early conservator documents were not scanned does not reflect the fact that the documents of the conservatory were in fact scanned in early 2009. Period. Because you probably were the one who was scanning them, so you know, and I'm so glad she's speaking out, and we need more people who were associates and around this whole situation to speak out on what is happening to Britney so that we actually can bring awareness to her. Oh, look, you can kind of see her. It's a rare spotting. A rare spotting of a bunny. Come here. Show them. Anytime you guys give me a little super chat, I'm always like, I want to give Bunny a treat. Then we go to the pet store, because I live right by a pet store. Not for long, though, because people dox me. Anyways, she also said, I provided all necessary information and evidence in this regard to PvP counsel, so he may take all the necessary steps that he determines and deems appropriate under these circumstances. I declare, under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the state of California and the city of Tarzania, that this is true and correct. She's pretty much saying, no matter what, like, this is the facts. I am ready to testify. These guys are lying about these files, and Samuel Ingham should be able to get these files and show them to the court and show how corrupt the whole Sea Ship has been from the start. If he had access to these contracts, he can show the court and be like, yo, this contract from 2009 with TriStar, like, is obviously really messed up. Oh, yeah, but he can't get access to it because they weren't scanned electronically according to TriStar. Well, guess what? We got Kate who stepped up and said, nope, that is BS. They were scanned electronically because I was there, I was working there, and you do have the access to it. So don't try to hide this. And I am just applauding, like, she is using her power, and it's just amazing to me that people like her and BJ and other people who are just smart and, influential are using their power to bring awareness to this case. She's also been active on Twitter. Like I said, I put her tweets, her Twitter in the bio, but you can check out some of her tweets here, and I'm just going to read them off to you guys. She says, perhaps the more important, sorry, my dog is literally, oh my gosh, I thought I got her. I really want to show you to the camera. Okay, leave me alone. Perhaps the more important danger is overuse of the conservatorships. The impulse to ask for a sea ship does not always arise from a desire to protect the conservator. Often the impulse is to protect the conservator, or to be more accurate, to protect someone's financial interests. So she's talking about someone being taken advantage of, and I wonder who she's subtweeting. Literally Miss Britney Spears. She also said, trial court must obtain personal waiver of jury trial from conservatory even when conservatory expresses no preference for a jury trial. That was a mouthful. Absent of such waiver, court must accord a conservatory a jury trial unless court finds that the conservatory lacks capacity to make... Okay, let's replace this with Britney, okay? Let's just, say this with Britney. So trial court must obtain a personal waiver of jury trial from Britney, even when Britney expresses no preference for a jury trial. Absent of that waiver, the court must accord that Britney a jury trial unless the court finds that Britney lacks capacity to make a decision. So pretty much saying that Britney is supposed to have a court jury in this decision because it's just her right. And they are avoiding that. They don't want a jury here because the jury's going to be like, wait, hold up. There's a whole bunch of corruption going on here. Then she personally calls out Britney's situation and says Jamie's team wants to determine whether B has capacity to nominate a different conservator. While they are doing that, the court should determine whether B has capacity to 1. Hire her own private counsel, 2. Take care of herself, and 3. Waive trial, and 4. Agree to the whole C-ship. So she is calling out this whole thing, and I am glad she is, because she is not only smart, but she is powerful, because she filed something in the court, and like this is something that Brenda Penny is going to have to look at and address and be like, yo, what's up? Like, what's going on here? Like, there are some lies, Lou. You need to explain. Why is your company claiming, like, why is Andrew Wallet claiming, and like this dude is supposed to be the next like person added into the conservatorship, and his firm is lying about where records are. It's just not a good look for Andrew Wallet or for Lou and Taylor, and I really think that these people need to, you know, wipe their trail, because they are obviously caught, and people like Kate and people like BJ and my channel, honestly, we're just bringing awareness to this, and we are creeping up on them, and there's nowhere for them to go. I literally have a video coming out soon about Lou and Taylor, and you guys know who she is. She is that subway rat carrying the pizza through the tunnels of the subway that's twice the size, and I'm allegedly gonna make a video about everything she's allegedly done, and there is so much, and I'm working on it right now, but I want to keep you guys up to date on what's going on with Kate's situation, and just let you guys know, like, yo, we got another, not Kate, I mean Katrina's situation, and we've got another person to add to the squad, and someone who's going to help and defend Britney, so hopefully she will be able to appear in court if she is summoned, so that she can tell the judge that, yo, you know what, this man is lying and he should not be a part of this. I got her. Oh, I got her. Yay. Okay. Oh, her hair is definitely a mess. Oh, Angel. What a special find. She looks so... I need to brush you out. I'm sorry. You need a bath too. But she's so lovely. Okay. Anyways, I just wanted to keep you guys up to date and let you know what was going on with that attorney, and I'll let you guys know anytime anything big happened. Britney hasn't really been active on Instagram today, I don't think. Should we check it? Let's just make sure that we don't have anything posted, because Britney loves to post whenever I am live streaming. And I get off and I'm like, whoa, she just posted. Okay. Ooh, has she? 4 hours ago she did optimism, humor, curiosity, honesty, generosity. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So not too much activity on Instagram, but I am glad that there has been so much movement in court. And I also want to clarify something I said yesterday, because I was wrong and I was called out for it. So pretty much I said yesterday that Judge Brenda Penny denied the motion that Jamie Spears asked for the court documents to be sealed. That is not true. She was supposedly leaning towards that decision, but the decision has not been made yet, and they have pushed it back. So this court still could close all of the files and keep it private. I mean, they aren't for now, but they could in the future. So that's a sketchy sign, and we really want to make sure that all those files are available, because they are going to be telling us exactly what's happening behind the scenes and where all of Britney's money went. Oh, God, Bunny. You are so distracting to me. You know, I can't even think, because you're gnawing on my leg. You're gnawing on my finger. You want me to... This is so disgusting and dirty, and you want me just to touch this for you and play with it for you. You know what I'm filming. Like, it's not all the time I'm filming. I just have a certain amount of time that I'm filming. And I need to focus. You know you like Britney Spears, sweetie. And you want her saved too, and you want her free, right? Yes, you do. So just be quiet for like 5 minutes, and let me finish my video. Anyways, I want to know where Britney's money went, because they are saying that she is worth $56 million, yet she should be worth like $300 million. So where's that money? Where did it go? I think we actually know, because Liam Taylor has been messing with it and finessing with it, and they are trying their best to hide it. But as long as I'm here, they are not going to hide it, and I'm going to continue to bring awareness to this situation, and you know what, fight for Britney's freedom. So I'm glad that you guys care, and that you were staying informed, and that we were keep, you know, this whole situation like on a magnifying glass, so that we can see every single detail and, you know, break the code. Because even like Katrina, she came out of nowhere, and it's like, wow, like you were literally calling out the bad guys and just adding one more red flag to this whole just list of red flags that this judge cannot deny. If this judge like rules in opposition, it's like you can tell the judge has either been like paid off, or she is corrupt, or something is wrong with her, because the judge can clearly see that there is a problem here and that these people are taking advantage of Britney's situation. I need to get off, guys. I need to, like, honestly have a break for a moment. But I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in a new video soon. And if you have anything you want me to talk about, please DM me or email me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Actually, I'm about to go stream on my other channel. So if you don't know, I have another channel, and I'm going to go stream there. So I'll see you guys.